Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a fully functional membership website using WordPress. Whether you're building a platform for exclusive content, a subscription-based service, or a community for your audience, this tutorial will help you get started. So, let's dive in without further delay. The first thing you'll need to do is open your WordPress site. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to begin with a simple and clean website. Choose a basic theme that aligns with the type of membership website you want to create. WordPress offers many free and premium themes to suit different styles and functionalities. Once your theme is set up, we'll move on to adding a membership form and creating the membership system that your visitors or customers will use. Let's get started. Once you've selected and activated your theme, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find and click on the Plugins section. From there, select Add New, which will take you to the plugin directory, a library of tools designed to extend the functionality of your WordPress site. In the search bar at the top of the plugin directory, type in the keyword Membership. You'll see a variety of plugins tailored for membership websites, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on one of the most popular and user-friendly options, Ultimate Member. This plugin is known for its robust features, including user profiles, registration forms, login forms, and comprehensive membership capabilities. With over 200,000 active installations and compatibility with most WordPress versions, it's a reliable choice. To install the plugin, click the Install Now button next to Ultimate Member, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, you'll notice a new menu item labeled Ultimate Member in your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your membership system. The next step is to set up the forms. Navigate to the Forms section in the Plugin settings. Here, you'll find default templates for essential forms like registration, login, and user profiles. To create a custom membership form, click Add New. A prompt will appear asking you to name your form. Let's call it Membership Form. Then select the form type as Registration, which will open up the Form Builder interface. The Form Builder is intuitive and allows you to add fields with just a few clicks. Start by adding basic fields such as first name, last name, country, and email address. You'll also want to include a password field, which can be customized with specific criteria like minimum or maximum character length. For the country field, consider using a drop-down menu to make it easy for users to select their location. If you're planning to offer paid memberships, you can integrate payment methods into the form. Otherwise, you can keep the registration free. To further personalize the form, click the pencil icon next to each field. This allows you to edit field labels, set privacy options, and add placeholders for better clarity. Once you're happy with your form setup, use the Live Preview option to see exactly how it will appear to users. Your form should now include fields like first name, last name, country, with a drop-down menu, and email address, along with options for users to register or log in. The Ultimate Member plugin makes it easy to create responsive and visually appealing registration and profile forms. After finalizing your form, integrate it into your website by adding it to the appropriate page using a short code or widget. With everything set up, your membership website will now be ready to accept signups, giving visitors access to the memberships and content you're offering. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.